Okay, I will explain bullet points again. There are some random products, and I'll select some random products and then I'll explain the bullet points. Okay. When you select this product, you can see here there are some features. Here it's already listed here, some features, some specification about the product. Most of the product have this description, specification, features already. They already provide them. Some of the product provide these features in form of some pictures, and some of them in form of text. Here it's in form of text. You can directly copy. You don't have to write by yourself. You can just copy bullet points from here. You can, like, low consumption, high brightness. This could be your one bullet point. This one, first one. Another one, energy saving and environmentally friendly and is conducive to recycling. This is another bullet point. You can use this one. Here, yeah, low heat generating. This one, low heat generating, no UV or IV radiation. You can see there are more than 5 bullet points, and you can choose 5 among them, or only 3 among them. If you can't find 5, you can just write 3 of them. It's enough. And you can use other products, other features or other bullet points as in description. Where is that? Here. This is another product, or same one? No, it's a different one. So here you can see lamp lights, product description, power, voltage, all these things. These are the description. These are not bullet points. And here you can see this thing, LED chip model. When you going to edit it, delete these things. Model number, model, product number, these kind of things you have to delete. So if you find something like this, your own words, or even same thing, you don't have to maybe edit. You can use this bullet point. You can use this one, cool white, different occasion, a different color, different choice, warm white. You can use this as a bullet point. So you most of the time you don't have to write by yourself. You just have to check the product, copy it, and paste into your ERP system. It's straightforward, pretty easy. For Zoom, maybe tomorrow or tonight. I'm not free. Maybe tomorrow sometimes we can join a meeting on Zoom, and then you can communicate with me. But right now we don't. I don't have time to install Zoom and join a meeting with you guys. So this is another thing. There is another product. This one, frying pan, and if you go down here, you can find features here, and you can use any of them as your bullet point. Choose 3 to 5 bullet points among them, and remaining you can use remaining bullet points in the description also. But don't use same things in description and bullet points. And other for description modes, things like material, color, size, these things are the part of description. Don't use these things in your bullet points. So maybe you have now better idea how to write bullet points. Bullet points are actually the feature of your products. Here, it's not the specification. It's not like size of the product. Don't write size, color, style, material in the bullet point section. Bullet point section is just the features. Like here, this is the product, frying pan, and the features. Some prominent features you can use, like high temperature paint. This can be a bullet point. 4-hole design, fast soaking, energy saving, and environmental protection gas stove application. This is your bullet point. So it's easy. Most of the time you will just have to copy the bullet points from the link. And I'll show you how, when you upload products on ERP, I will open an ERP, someone's account. Okay, Shahid, I will open Shahid's account. So after you have uploaded products on your ERP system, so you need to edit each of the product one by one. Before